One of the important things when you're scaling fish for fish scale art, you want to make sure that you don't damage the scales. So that's why we don't use any of the professional scalers or anything. The best thing to use is a spoon, running it down to grab the scales and pull them off basically. So when we look at the fish has scales all over its body, belly, back, basically stops at the gills, none at the fins. We want to make sure that we collect scales from all over the fish because they come in different sizes, and this allows for using different sizes of scales in your work. If your fish looks like that, that means you're doing a good job, you're getting it all off, and you can see how it's losing its scale shine. So you want to make sure you get the belly area because there are some smaller scales there. So when you actually run your fingers down, you can feel the holes where the scales were. And that's one good way to check, because if you go like this, there's a couple of scales right there. The only thing to remember is do not use one of those other scalers because they actually tear the scales up.